Hi there, welcome back. In this complete section we are going to talk about the IP addresses. So let's get it started. So what is IP address? When somebody asks you what is an IP address, so correct answer would be IP address is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or local network. Local network, when it is mentioned local network, it is inside company premises. Each and every device will have IP address. If your machine doesn't have IP address, you will not able to access the internet or intranet. Internet is the public place where you can access the internet. Intranet inside the company premises. Each and every device which are available over internet or intranet will must have IP address. Communication will not happen without IP address. That means if your machine doesn't have the IP address, if your phone doesn't have the IP address, you will not communicate over internet. You will not able to access internet. Windows command to check IP address of machine. So here is the command where you can type is ipconfig. Once you enter it, you will get the IP address of your machine. ipconfig/all is the command where you will get more details. Let me give you an example. So I have this machine, I have PMD. Let me open the command prompt called DOS command prompt. I will type ipconfig and simply I will get the IP address of my machine. Let's see if I need more details. Okay, you can type ipconfig same and /all. Now you have much details on your network adapter. What is the DNS name, what is the IP6 address, what is subnet, what is DNS, lease optional, lease expires time, everything you would able to see when you put the command ipconfig/all. Also you will get all the network adapter details if you have additional network install. Let's see, if you connect it to VPN, you will get 2 IP address. Let's say you have a different network adapter, you will get all the information on this black window on the command DOS command prompt mode. All right, a PIPA address 169.254.00 to 169.254.255.255. what is this? Okay, so a PIPA address, when this PIPA address will get assigned to your machine. Let's see, there is no DHCP server available in your network. Maybe it is temporary down, or maybe the DHCP server has some problem. When I say DHCP server, it could be your router, home router. In company there would be Windows Server 2016, 19, 12, whatever it is, and their DHCP role was installed. Okay, so if machine will not get any address, it will get assigned automatic a PIPA address, all right, which start from here. All right, let's see you next video.